organization. So today in ninth class maths, in last class we discussed about the exercise 1.4. So in the number system, our exercise 1.4 question number up to 4 we completed clearly, and in this class we will complete the exercise 1.4 question number 5. After complete that exercise 1.4, so we will go to the exercise 1.5. Okay, so in this one, how to rationalize the denominators in the irrationals, that's we will say here. Say if we observe carefully, so in the question number 5, rationalize the denominators of the following. They given this. See first, what is rationalize the denominator 1 by root 7 and rationalize the 1 by root 7 minus root 6, and third one rationalize 1 by root 5 plus root 2 and rationalize 1 by root 7 minus 2. Okay, now we'll see one by one. So first, how to rationalize 1 by root 7, that's we'll see here. So if you observe this in exercise 1.4, the question number 5, in that first one by root 7. So how to rationalize this, that's we'll see now. See first we should write this one, rationalizing the denominator. So after rationalize this denominator, so how it will be? Then 1 by root 7 into root 7 by root 7. Here only single term is there in the denominator, so that's we are doing, right? Now here see root 7 by root 7 into root 7 whole square. From this square root will be cancelled. Now we can write this one root 7 by 7 we can write. Okay, now if you go to second one, in the second one, rationalize 1 by root 7 minus root 6 they said. So here also same thing we have to write. So rationalizing the denominator. So after rationalizing the denominator, see 1 by root 7 minus root 6 into, see in the rationalizing the binomial of the rationals, so irrationals, here instead of minus we should take here plus, then root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 plus root 6. సో ఎప్పుడైతే వాడు ఇక్కడ డినామినేటర్ లో మనకు మైనస్ ఇస్తే రేషనలైజ్ చేసినప్పుడు ప్లస్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా? సో ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఇలా ప్లస్ తీసుకున్నాం. హియర్ 1 into root 7 plus root 6 is nothing but 1 by root 7 plus root 6. Now here it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. Then we can write root 7 plus root 6 into so here we can write root 7 minus root 6 into root 7 plus root 6. So after writing this one, root 7 plus root 6 by, it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. Then we can write root 7 square minus root 6 square. Now square root cancel, then root 7 plus root 6 by 7 minus 6, finally root 7 plus root 6. So 1 is nothing but not necessary to write. Okay, so after rationalize this 1 by root 7 minus root 6, finally we are getting root 7 plus root 6. Okay, these are rationalizing the denominator in the question number 5. Okay, now we'll see question number 3. In this one, question number 3, third sub question in the 5. So 1 by root 5 plus root 2. So now same thing, rationalizing denominator. So in rationalizing the denominator, see 1 by root 5 plus root 2 they given into 1 by, so into here plus they given, then we have to take minus root 5 minus root 2 by root 5 minus root 2 we can write. Now here 1 into root 5 minus root 2, root 5 minus root 2 by ఇది a plus b into a minus b ఫార్ములా ఉంది కాబట్టి root 5 plus root 2 into root 5 minus root 2. So దాన్ని ఏం రాయొచ్చు, so root 5 minus root 2 by root 5 square minus root 2 square, square root, square root, square root, square root, cancel. So root 5 minus root 2 by 5 minus 2. So finally root 5 minus root 2 by root 5 minus root 2 by 3. This is the answer. After rationalizing this root 5 plus root 2, so here we are getting root 5 minus root 2 by 3. Okay. Now next one, another one, in the fourth one. So rationalize 1 by root 7 minus 2. Same, rationalizing denominator. So after rationalizing denominator 1 by root 7 minus 2 into, here minus is there, then we have to take plus, then root 7 plus root 7 plus 2, root 7 plus 2 by root 7 plus 2. So after multiplying this, root 7 plus 2 by root 7 minus 2 into root 7 plus 2. So here root 7 plus 2 by root 7 whole square minus 2 square. Then root 7 plus 2 by square root cancel, 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 we are getting. Then root 7 plus 2 by 3 we are getting. So this is the way how to rationalize the denominator. Okay. So in this method, if you write like this, you will get the full marks. Okay. Right. Next, and so before going to exercise 1.5, first, so this exercise 1.5 is totally depending upon the laws of exponents. So before going to learn about exercise 5, first we should learn what are the laws of exponents. So after discuss this about the laws of exponents, now we'll go to the exercise 1.5. First we'll write laws of exponents. Now laws of exponents, these all are the formulas. Now what are they? First one, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n, and second one, a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. That's again we can write as a power mn. So if any symbol is not there, means into, right? Next, third one, a power m by a power n is equal to, there are three types of formulas for this. What are, when it is, if m is equal to n, and 1 by a power n minus m will get when it is if m is less than n. These are the three types of formulas for a power m by a power n. And fourth one, here a power 0 is equal to 1. So a means any integer here. So a power 0 is equal to 1. Next, another one, a power m into b power m is equal to, we can write ab whole power m. And sixth one, a power m by b power m is equal to a by b whole power m we can write. And seventh one here, a power n is equal to, we can write 1 by a power minus n. And eighth one, a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n we can write. So these are the main formulas which are in the laws of exponents. And two more formulas will use. See here, nth root a is equal to, we can write as a power 1 by n. And 10th one, nth root a power m we can write as a power m by n. So these are the main important formulas or main important laws of exponents which we are going to solve in the exercise 1.5. Okay. So if you know this all the formulas except 9 and 10, if you know this up to 8th law of exponent, you can solve easily exercise 1.5. So it is more than this 9th class. This is a one. Okay, right. So these formulas, these laws of exponents are very, very important to solve the exercise 1.5. Right. Now we'll go to the exercise 1.5. Now this is the exercise 1.5. So here they are given see in the first question, find 64 power 1 by 2 and 32 power 1 by 5 and 125 power 1 by 3 they given. So how to solve this one? That's we will see. So in exercise 1.5, first one, in the first question, 64 power 1 by 4, 1 by 2 given. So that's 64 we can write as 8 square, 8 power 2 whole power 1 by 2. That's we can write 8 power 2 into 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. That answer is 8. Next, second one. 32 power 1 by 5 they are given. So 32 we can write as 2 power 5 whole power 1 by 5. It is in the form of a power m whole power n. Then we can write 2 power 5 into 1 by 5. 5 get cancelled. Then 2 is the answer. Next, third one. In third one, 125 power 1 by 3 they given. So 125 we can write as 5 cube. 5 cube whole power 1 by 3. A power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. 3 get cancelled. This answer is 5. Okay, so this is the first question. So here 64 power 1 by 2 they given. 64 we can write as 8 square. 8 power 2 into 1 by 2 is nothing but 8. Okay, right. 32 we can write as 2 power 5. So 5 cancel 2. And 125 we can write as 5 cube. 3 cancel, then 5. Okay, this is the first question. Now we will see the second question. So what they are given in the second question. So if you observe this second question, here in the second question, 9 power 3 by 2 and 32 power 2 by 5, and third one 16 power 3 by 4, and fourth one 125 power minus 1 by 3 they given. Now we'll see how to find this one. So in the second question, first one, so in the second question, first sub question, 9 power 3 by 2. So that's we can write as 9 we can write as 3 square and whole power 3 by 2. So here 3 power 2 into 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. We are getting 3 cube. 3 cube is nothing but 27. 3 cube we can write as 3 into 3 into 3, 27. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Okay, right. Next, second one. Second one, here 32 power 2 by 5 they are given. 32 we can write as 2 power 5 whole power 2 by 5. So here a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. So 5 get cancelled. Then 2 square. 2 square is nothing but 4. Next, if we go to third one, in third sub question, 16 power 3 by 4 they given. So 16 we can write as 2 power 4, 2 power 4 whole power 3 by 4. Now a power m into a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. 4 get cancelled, then 2 cube. 2 cube value is nothing but 8. Next, this is the fourth one. So some confusional question. All of you listen carefully. So 24 power minus 1 by 3. 125 power minus 1 by 3. 125 we can write as 5 cube whole power minus 1 by 3. Now 5 power 3 into minus 1 by 3. 3 cancel. 5 power minus 1. Just now we discussed it. What is a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. Thus we can write as 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 power 1. So this is the answer for that. Okay, this is the second question, all the 4 sub questions. Next, we'll go to the third sub question. So listen carefully here, all of you observe this one. Next, all of you copy this and write properly. Next, final question. Next, final question in this one. Simplify 2 power 2 by 3 into 2 power 1 by 5 and 1 by 3 cube whole power 7 and 11 power 1 by 2 by 11 power 1 by 4 and 7 power 1 by 2 into 1 by 8 power 1 by 2. So this Roman is very important for us for FA1 purpose. Okay, so now we will see how to solve this one. In third one, first sub question, 2 power 2 by 3 into 2 power 1 by 3, 2 power 1 by 5. So then we can write a power m into a power n formula, then 2 power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Thus we can write as 2 power LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Now 5 2s are 10 plus 3 1s are 3. Then we can write 2 power 10 plus 3 13 by 15. This is the final answer. Next, second one, if we go to second one, so 1 by 3 cube whole power 7. So it is in the form of a by b whole power m, and also here a power m whole power n also we can apply. See here we can write 1 power 7 by 3 cube power 7 we can write. Then 1 power 7 is 1 and 3 power 3 whole power 7 is a power m whole power n formula, a power m into n. Then 1 by, we can write 3 power 3 7s are 21. Again we can write 1 by a power n formula. 1 by a power n is nothing but a power minus n. So 3 power minus 21 we can write. Next, here third sub question. 11 power 1 by 2 by 11 power 1 by 4. Now it is in the form of a power m by a power n. A power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n when m is greater than n. So here 1 by 2 is more than 1 by 4. So it is half, it is 1 by 4 too. So that's why. Now the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Then here 2 2s are 4, then 2 1s are 2, minus 1. Then we can write 11 power 1 by 4. This is the answer. Next, last one, 7 power 1 by 2 into 8 power 1 by 2. So here a into b whole power m, a power m into, so 7 power 1 by 2, 7 power 1 by 2 into 8 power 1 by 2 is equal to a power m into b power m is equal to a into b whole power m. Then we can write 7 into 8 whole power 1 by 2. 7 into 8 is nothing but 56 power 1 by 2. So this is the answer. Okay, here we use a power m into b power m is equal to a into b whole power m. Here we use a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n formula. Here we use two formulas. What is a by b whole power m is equal to a power m by b power m, and also one more formula. A power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n formula we use, and here a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n formula we use. See, so here all the laws of exponents are used here in this third question. Okay, so these are the exercise 1.5 problems. First question, second question, and third question. Every question we discussed, we clearly explained. So all of you note down these solutions and prepare properly. So in the month of August, you are going to write the FA1 exam. All of you prepare for this. Don't waste your time. Thank you, everyone.
Mathematics class start